stuff if you
What's
need
up,
it.
guys? In this video, we are playing Animal Company with my brother. We're exploring the mines again, but
Does
this
anybody
time,
want a backpack?
we have Andrew. We have Andrew in the building. Say hello, Andrew, if you can hear me. You see,
he can
guys,
hear
he's
you, I'm pretty
waving.
sure.
He's waving. Guys, the reason 6-7 is old. Get out of here.
You have to click B and then you
I'm
have
gonna
to
join a
you have
call.
to,
So
you have to throw it like in a throwing motion and
guys,
then
I don't
click
get how I join calls.
Well, I don't get your VR because on my screen it says that you're offline.
Can you invite me? You can. Have you tried inviting me? Hello?
I have Andrew. You have grenades, right?
How about Andrew tries?
Oh, Andrew, click B. Click B. Is it open? Click B. Okay, so now you can store stuff inside that backpack. Okay, now like do this, then click A. You have to put it on your back, not on your back, bro.
Nobody.
But you gotta put your hand up like high. Now you have it on. Now you just took it off. Does anybody want a grenade?
Wait, what?
Take it, bro. You can put that in your backpack. No, you have to take it and then you have to take your backpack out and then open it.
You're gonna. How come you're in a call and I can hear you in Animal Company?
I don't know.
How come that doesn't work for Andrew?
Guys, are we ready for the hunt?
I think so. Andrew, are you ready? Put your hands like a fist. Put it like a fist if you're ready. You ready? Nod if
I'm
yes.
pretty sure he can hear you.
Raise your hand if yes. Okay, he's ready.
Yeah, he can hear you. He can hear you.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, can you hear him?
What?
Can you hear him?
No.
But he can hear you.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to like tell me what he's saying.
Okay.
No, not over there.
Oh yeah, mine's. Where's Andrew?
Okay, Andrew's coming.
Wait,
Guys,
guys, I need a weapon. Guys, I need a weapon. Guys, I got a weapon. Guys, go to mine.
blinds. Ah! Okay, guys, we're ready. Let's go. Monkey. Ow!
My
I
bad.
still forgot that spear hurts. Okay. I'll wait here. I'll wait here. Andrew, hurry up.
Guys, so you want those crystals. You want to destroy those crystals for currency.
Well, we don't have weapons.
I have a weapon.
Then you have to be the one that destroys it. Guys, we have to fall down here. Andrew. We have to fall down here. Down this hole. So, let's go! Wee!
Guys, I got currency.
Woohoo!
Does anybody have a flashlight?
Andrew does. And I do. Guys, let's start
Over here.
by destroying these.
Your
What
mom-
is that? What 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 was that? What was that? There was like a nun. Bro, it was like a nun.
Bro, I'm telling you guys, there's stuff down here.
What are those noises? Wait, why is this scarier than last time? Why is this scarier than yesterday?
It's the same. It's the same crystal from yesterday.
Oh,
Guys, I think I'm gonna tell you out of here.
Andrew, raise your hand if you're okay so far. Okay, you're okay. He's okay. Where did
That's my
Andrew
pearl.
go? Where did
My pearl.
Where did
My
Andrew
pearl.
go? Where did Andrew go?
He's right. He's with me.
Oh. Where? Oh, I see him. Wait, no, I don't.
Andrew, don't get hit.
I see
Don't
you.
get hit.
Oh! Whoa!
Go on,
You guys,
baby,
you should
Frankie.
go over there again. You have to go over there at some point. Guys, you have to go over there at some point.
Oh, I got Cranky.
We have to go over there at some point because there's
What?
more.
What?
Over there. You gotta go over
What do
there
you have?
at some point. Oh, he has one. Ow.
Here's a crystal.
No, there's blood dripping. Whenever you
Yeah,
hit,
it's because I stabbed you. Yeah.
yeah, whenever you hit me, there's blood.
Okay, on your watch, it has like health. It has a health bar.
House?
Yeah, it's that little heart thingy.
Guys, I'm gonna go over here. Guys, you have to go over here.
I got a telepro. So
It's this place is this spot is dangerous. This spot is dangerous.
Yeah,
This spot is very
I can hear
dangerous.
you, Andrew.
Andrew, this place is very dangerous, so be careful. Stay behind our back.
Careful.
I still hate this noise. It's so what I heard something over there. I think we should go that way instead of that way, because that was where the fish was.
Oh, I remember yesterday. But who knows, bro?
Should we go that way or
No,
should we go?
no, that's a trap. Yes, bro. Yesterday, remember, like there was a dead end.
What?
That when we went to the right.
Which one? This?
No, the other one. Sorry.
What is that, guys? There's a bomb! There's a bomb! There's a bomb! And Andrew died! Andrew's dead! Andrew, your ghost is here!
Wait, Andrew, stay.
Oh no, Andrew! No! I'll grab it.
Yeah, I can still hear you.
I'll grab
Bro,
it.
grab his backpack. Grab his backpack.
I have his flashlight. I have his flashlight, bro. I can't hold his backpack. Someone has to hold the backpack. What is that? The fish! The fish! The fish is back! The fish is back! The fish is back!
Come on, Kelly. No! I'm gonna die.
Run! Are you dead?
I'm dead.
I'm dead. I'm dead too. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Andrew just got back.
No. Guys, I'm still alive.
How? How are you alive?
I ran. I'm down here with Liam's flashlight. No, I'm here with Liam's flashlight. I have his flashlight in mine. I'm talking to Andrew. No. Guys, I'm here all alone. I'm scared. I don't want to go anywhere. I'm left. I'm all alone. I'm all alone. I'm super scared. I don't want to die. It's too scary to die. I'm too young to die, guys. I'm too young. Are you guys coming? Oh my gosh. I'm scared.
Somebody's giving me a flashlight. Andrew, why'd you leave me with that?
And Liam died to the bomb. You died to the fish.
Liam's not in his
Bro, the fish came. It rose from the ground. I saw a fish. It like rose from the ground and it killed you. And I literally just juked it and I just started running while it was chasing me. And then at some point when I was going to the hole, it disappeared.
Yeah, bro, come back to the lobby.
What?
Come back to the lobby.
I don't know how to do that.
No, like, just get like the ground.
I see you, right? I'm coming. I see you, right? I'm coming. You're the white guy, right?
Yeah. Liam, I have your flashlight. I have your flashlight. Your flashlight is right there. Grab it.
Let's go. No. You have to click Y to. You have to click Y to that.
Guys. Are you guys coming?
Click Y to activate it, bro.
Are you guys
Not that hard.
coming? Guys, we don't have all day. Guys,
Yo, should
try
I-
not
yo-
to stab me.
Does anybody want a tele grenade or a tele pearl? Raise your hand if you want one. Raise your hand if you want a tele pearl or a tele grenade.
Me.
Wait, come here. There you go.
Ah, come here.
Yeah,
What?
click B or Y to activate it. Has to be in a certain handle.
Wait, is B in the bottom of the controller?
No, it's on the top of the controller.
And Y is at the top also?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm touching the bottom button with my thumb.
Bottom.
No,
I
the
said
top.
it's top.
The top. Guys, we have to go back here.
Andrew, what's the call? Oh my God, there's something! There's something!
There's a spider! Spider!
Okay, you hit me! Hey, you hit me to it! What's wrong with him?
Andrew died.
He died?
Yeah, he
Oh,
died.
he did. I see a spear.
He died again. I was like, where is Andrew? Guys, what is? Guys, I hear the spider. Bro, I hear a spider.
Stay here.
I hear it. Yeah, why are these things in here? I'm hiding in this rock. I'm scared. Should I grab the spear?
Do you want to, bro, with a weapon?
What if the spider's just camping? Right? It's just like standing.
Remember, you have your tele grenade, bro.
So how do I throw it? Like, do I just like press like? Ow! 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 You gotta click A.
And, like, throw it in a throwing position. Like how you usually throw it.
My hands are so
I'm
full.
trying to get Andrew on a call because he's not on a call with me.
I don't see it. I'm scared. I have light. Got light for you. No, the spear disappeared. No, I'm good. I don't have a great feeling. I don't have a great feeling about this. Can they just regularly spawn, or are they just there? They just spawn. Why is this like Minecraft? This is like Minecraft now. Bro, I hate these noises. I hate these noises. Me too! I don't hear that. But all I know is that this place. But all I know is that this place is dark and scary. Without the flashlight, it's pointless. There's a orange gorilla. There's a gorilla. There's an orange one behind you. No! It's a monster!
Help! I'm stuck! That's not a real person. It's a shapeshifter.
It's a
I'm
shapeshift.
juking it.
Wait, I dropped my bomb. Where is it?
I'm juking it.
What is that?
It's a monster. I don't know. It like screamed at me. Go come. I think
I used the bomb. Ah, it's a 10. Help! Help! Help me!
I can get it.
What? Ah, it's on me! It's on me! Help! Help! What is that?
That's a shapeshifter or whatever.
Bro, I thought that was like an original monkey. It was like an orange monkey.
Yeah.
It appeared right like. Here's where it appeared.
Bro, I was stabbing.
Bro, it spawned right here. I looked at it, I thought it was normal. It came right after you. And then it turned into a monster. I thought it was Andrew. Yo, that was so scary. That's.
I'm not live right now, bro. My brother's not live. He's recording it. I'm not.
Oh my god, that was so scary. I already used the.
He's going to upload it.
I used the bomb.
Bro, you want another one? I can give you another one.
Oh my god. I used it. I activated, but I didn't throw it. I just dropped it. Yeah, I teleported right next to it, and it started attacking me. I
Do
don't.
you want a pearl or like a grenade?
Oh my god. Yeah, now we know.
We never went left.
I don't know. Should we? So now we figured out that they regularly and they spawn regularly throughout this whole place. This place is scary. Oh my god. No, there's a shapeshifter. There's a shapeshifter right there. There's one right there. There was one. I saw one. It was like standing in the wall. It was standing in the corner. I saw it. Luckily, it didn't see me.
Wait, was it like what color was it?
Orange, the same color. So now we know how it's the same color.
Bro, you want this mirror to protect yourself, bro?
Oh God, I'm scared.
Bro, you can stab
Bro,
it.
why does?
Bro, I was stabbing you. Like, I actually could kill it. Like, that's why.
But I suck.
Killing you.
I suck though. I suck though.
Bro, you have to kill him with the boom, boom, boom. Ow.
But I suck.
Bro, I got this spear yesterday, bro. How do you think, bro? I suck.
Well, it doesn't look like it. What do you mean? You literally use it for collecting stuff. Bro, it's right there. It was literally hiding right there. It was hiding right there. I don't want to go over there. Well, left is a dead end. Bro, is that thing still there? I don't want to check. I seriously do not want to check. Bro, if something appears right behind us, I am just gonna go in front of it and just like juke it. At least try to juke it if I can. I think I kind of heard it growling. Oh, should we? Let's get out. Let's book it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. Ah! I'm scared with myself though. Bro, go. Why is it not going? Why am I going down instead of up? Hello? Please! No! I fell. I fell all the way down. And I don't know how to get back up. Bro, I don't know how to go up. Please.
Made it.
I'm scared. I don't want to fall. Wait, are you talking to Andrew?
Yeah. But bro, we're getting out.
Let's leave. Go. Leave. Leave.
What?
Get out.
It was hard. It was blocking everywhere.
But there was a shapeshifter.
Yeah, there was a shapeshifter. Andrew, you missed it. There was a shapeshifter, bro. Me and my brother thought it was you because it looked like.
Bro, that thing can mimic